be making a lentil and ham soup. I know this time of the year we're getting near Easter and there'll be ham and stuff left over. It's a great way to make a nice soup. In my pot in the back, I have 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter melting. I have 1 medium red onion diced and peeled. I have 2 stalks of celery diced. I have 2 carrots diced and peeled. And I also have 2 to 3, depending on the size of they're purple top turnips. They're really tiny ones. I peeled them and diced them. I'm going to add them to the butter, which is melted. And we're going to give that a stir. And we're going to let that cook probably about 7 to 8 minutes until the vegetables start to get softened. So you're going to let them cook for about 7 to 8 minutes, and I'll see you back then. Okay, as you can see, the vegetables are softening up. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. And I'm also going to add some fresh thyme, which I just got from the thyme plant we have in the house. About a teaspoon of thyme. We're going to give that a stir. We want to do that for about 2 minutes till the flour's all incorporated. So about 2 minutes just stirring it so the flour incorporates in the whole thing. And my mistake, I forgot to tell you to put 4 cups of hot water in when you did the flour. So 4 cups of hot water, and then we'll go back to like 2 minutes. See you in 2. Sorry. Okay, now we're going to use, it's about a 10-ounce ham steak, which I cut up into cubes. I'm going to put that in. And then I'm going to add lentils, which you'll cook ahead of time. It's about 3 cups of lentils. So about 3 cups of water, 1.5 cups of lentils, and you cook those up first. We're going to add those right to the pot. And we're going to give that a stir. Because I made these up, the lentils yesterday, so they were all set. They don't take that long to cook, but these are yellow lentils. I'm not using the brown or red. I'm using the yellow lentils because that's what I happen to have in the house. I'm going to give that a stir. It's all mixed up. And I'm not going to add salt. I'm going to only add pepper. If you can add salt if you like it, but ham is salty enough. This is a special ham we get for Easter time. It's from our local German market. Okay, so we're going to bring this to a boil. And then we're going to cook it for about 7 minutes. So bring it to a boil, then you're going to turn it down to probably a simmer and cook it for 7 minutes. Now while that's cooking, if you want, I didn't do it because it's breakfast time and I can't do that stuff this early in the morning. You're going to take a small baguette, you're going to cut it into cubes, and you'll put 3 tablespoons of butter into a pan. And then you're just going to brown the baguette for the top of the soup, like to put the baguettes on. I'm not eating it now, so I'm not going to do the baguette now. But that's at the end of the recipe and the thing. So we're going to bring this to a boil, turn it down, and it's going to cook for 7 minutes. So this has come to a boil already. 7 minutes. I'll see you back here. Okay, I tasted the soup as I was going along, and I did end up adding a little bit of salt and a little bit more pepper. Season it to your taste. I don't like a lot of salt, but some people do. And then I'm going to put some fresh parsley on top. And then at that point you would put your croutons on, which I'm not going to put on like I told you because it's not going to eat it now. But this is the soup. Enjoy. See you next week.